People who have watched my videos know that I like to repurpose things. So, what am I going to do with this? Right, I've got these bits of what would have been a mat of some sort, mat or blinds or something, and it's basically plastic tubes held together with wire. Someone had thrown this away, so I fished it out. A bit of skip diving. What I'm going to do, undo that and do the same all along, and keep going, and then these come out. So now I have a long plastic pole, and what am I going to do with it? This will make an excellent plant support. Probably tie it off there as well. As they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. After a few minutes to unwind this metal from around these, I've got a load of plant supports. There's a few broken bits, but they'll make smaller plant supports or markers for when I'm doing groundwork. So for about 5 minutes work, I have a ton of these. Oops, got one, and a good length. So yeah, pleased with that. Cost nothing, saves a lot of money, because if I had to buy all these plant supports it would have cost a little bit. And these will go in the metal recycling, so they won't go to waste either. And that is how you repurpose other people's rubbish.